What if I told you that the rich don't play by the same financial rules as everyone else? You see, the wealthy don't just make more money. They think differently, act differently, and follow strategies that most people aren't even aware of. And here's the real kicker. These secrets are hiding in plain sight. These 10 powerful secrets that the rich use to stay ahead. Secrets they never teach in schools. Secrets that could change your financial future forever. But first, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why some people struggle all their lives while others keep growing richer effortlessly? If yes, then stay till the end, because in every point you will know the truth that could change the way you handle money forever. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Secret number 1. The rich use wealth tunnels, while the poor chase money. Let me tell you about Tom and Jake. Both had similar jobs, earning $5,000 per month. But 5 years later, Tom was barely surviving, while Jake had multiple income streams and was well on his way to financial freedom. The difference? Tom traded his time for money. Jake built wealth tunnels. A wealth tunnel is an income stream that keeps flowing even when you stop working. The rich never depend on a single paycheck. Instead, they create businesses, investments, and systems that make money while they sleep. Ask yourself, am I working for money, or is my money working for me? Instead of just saving, invest in income-generating assets. Automate income. Use online businesses, dividend stocks, or rental properties to create a steady flow. The moment you stop trading time for money and start creating wealth tunnels, you step into the world of the wealthy. Number 2. Money thrives on momentum, but conventional systems favor slowness. In the world of wealth creation, speed is often a crucial factor that separates the rich from the rest. Those who understand this secret know that taking swift, decisive action can lead to exponential growth and success. However, conventional wisdom and societal norms often promote a slower, more cautious approach, which can hinder progress and opportunities for those seeking financial independence and abundance. Train yourself to make informed decisions swiftly, based on thorough research and analysis. Understand the difference between reckless impulsivity and calculated risk-taking. The latter often leads to substantial rewards. Balance speed with strategic planning to maximize outcomes. Embrace a mindset that values proactive decision-making over passive waiting. Secret number 3. They never save money. They keep it moving. The wealthy don't hoard cash. They invest it. Every dollar has a job: earning, compounding, or acquiring appreciating assets. Real security lies in cash flow, not stagnant savings. By constantly moving money into growth avenues, they ensure every dollar works tirelessly for them. Instead of letting cash sit, allocate funds into wealth-building vehicles like stocks, real estate, or high-yield investments. Keep your money flowing into opportunities that generate passive income rather than just storing it. Warren Buffett started investing early instead of just saving. He turned small investments into billions by keeping his money in motion, reinvesting profits, and continuously seeking new opportunities. While most people protect their money by keeping it idle, the wealthy understand that money is meant to move. The choice is yours. Let inflation erode your savings, or make your money work harder than you do. Number 4. The stock market isn't dangerous. Ignorance is. Most people believe the stock market is a gamble, but the truth is, it's only risky if you don't know what you're doing. The rich don't see the market as a casino. They see it as a wealth-building machine. The problem isn't the stock market. It's investing blindly without understanding what you own. Many people lose money because they panic during market drops, invest based on hype, or expect overnight success. They treat stocks like lottery tickets instead of long-term assets. The result? They buy high, sell low, and never build wealth. Meanwhile, the rich invest in time-tested companies, reinvest dividends, and stay patient. Instead of fearing volatility, they use it to buy great assets at a discount. Invest in what you understand. Stick to companies with strong financials and a track record of success. Think long-term. Wealthy investors hold assets for decades, letting compounding work in their favor. The stock market isn't a risk, it's an opportunity. The only real danger is investing without knowledge. You wouldn't drive blindfolded, so why invest that way? Number 5. They profit from your debt. Someone who carries $10,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest keeps struggling financially, while another uses a business loan to start a profitable venture. The biggest financial trap is using debt for consumption instead of wealth creation. Most people finance cars, vacations, and gadgets, thinking they are improving their lifestyle. But in reality, they are locking themselves into years of payments, making them slaves to interest. Meanwhile, the wealthy use debt strategically to buy income-generating assets like real estate and businesses. The difference? One type of debt makes you poorer, the other makes you richer. Eliminate bad debt. Pay off high-interest loans first and avoid financing depreciating assets. Use debt like the rich. Borrow only to invest in appreciating assets that generate passive income. You can either pay interest for the rest of your life or be the one collecting it. The choice is simple: master debt or be mastered by it. Number 6. Wealth is unlimited. Your mindset creates the limits. Most people believe money, success, and opportunities are scarce, that only a lucky few can be rich. But the wealthy know the truth. Abundance is created, not found. There isn't a fixed amount of money in the world. New wealth is generated every day through innovation, investment, and value creation. The problem isn't scarcity. It's a scarcity mindset that keeps people stuck. Someone who thinks there are no opportunities stays in a dead-end job, while another learns new skills and attracts better-paying opportunities. People make is believing wealth is out of their reach. They think they need to take from others to get ahead, so they stay stuck in survival mode, never taking bold actions. This mindset leads to fear-based decisions, missed opportunities, and settling for less. Meanwhile, the rich operate with an abundance mentality. They see problems as opportunities, invest in themselves, and create wealth rather than waiting for it. Sarah Blakely, the billionaire founder of Spanx, didn't accept scarcity. With just $5,000 in savings, she saw an opportunity, took action, and created a billion-dollar brand, proving that abundance is made, not given. The rich don't chase limited resources. They create unlimited value. If you believe wealth is scarce, you'll stay stuck. But if you see abundance, you'll start building it. Number 7. The rich control attention, and that's why they win. Attention is currency. The wealthy safeguard theirs from distractions. The wealthiest people in the world aren't just skilled or hardworking. They know how to direct attention to what matters. Whether it's businesses, personal brands, or investments, the rich ensure their ideas, products, and influence stay in the spotlight. Meanwhile, most people waste their attention, scrolling social media, gossiping, or chasing distractions, never realizing that where attention goes, money flows. People focus on consuming instead of creating. They spend hours watching viral videos, reacting to trends, and paying attention to other people's success instead of building their own. The result? They remain invisible, miss opportunities, and stay financially stuck. The rich do the opposite. They manage their attention like a billionaire asset, prioritizing learning, networking, and visibility. Limit distractions, control social media time, and focus on skills that generate income. Create, don't just consume. Build something, content, a brand, a business. Make people notice your value. One person spends hours scrolling Instagram. Another uses that time to create content and build a personal brand that attracts business opportunities. Elon Musk didn't just build Tesla and SpaceX. He mastered attention. His tweets, interviews, and bold moves keep the world watching, attracting billions in investments and customer loyalty without spending a dime on advertising. If you're not controlling your attention, someone else is profiting from it. So, the question is, are you being entertained or are you becoming wealthy? I believe in the power of shared knowledge. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved circle, and subscribe for more transformative tips. The moment you start thinking like the rich, you're already on your way to becoming one. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.